Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best stand assists that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Standalone Stand N Go. Get a little stability and balance when lifting yourself from your favorite chair. This stand and assist device works with a variety of chairs to make sure you can reach your feet quickly. Plus, they can hold up to 300 pounds while you are getting back on your feet. Just lean on the ergonomically designed handles till you are up and ready to walk. Those handles should not hurt your hands. Every facet of this device is adjustable. That makes it easy to customize its looks to fit your chairs, your stature, and your needs. Rubber feet help keep the stand assist from slipping as you get up. Then the powder coat frame keeps the stand assist looking good for many years. Rust should not be a problem. At number 4. Lumex Stand Assists Patient. Age and injuries take their toll. When those hit your legs you need a little assist getting to your feet. Also, you may need a little help walking, and that is where this device comes in. You can travel throughout your house with ease as the 4 heavy-duty caster wheels help move up to 400 pounds. Then with the locking mechanisms, you can stop and be safe till you are ready to roll again. Plus, with its narrow size, this stand assist should fit through a majority of doors without pinching your fingers or body. Then this device works with you regardless of your stature. Although you should be within the 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 6 inches boundaries for best results. Knee and seat pads keep you nice and comfortable. At number 3. AbelLife Universal Stand Assists. Keep your independence a lot longer. Turn to this stand assist device to make living in your own home a lot simpler. This easy-to-use stand assist makes sure you have the ability to regain your feet without trying that hard. Padded handle grips make sure your hands do not get hurt when you use this device. Then with its 300-pound weight limit, you can use this device with confidence. It should hold a majority of people with ease. All of the important parts adjust, but they move at different lengths and heights. That is so you can make sure this device works for you and your furniture. The steel frame is durable, strong and powder-coated for looks and rust protection. You have a top-notch device to use here. At number 2. Vive Standalone Toilet Rail. Getting off the toilet is not going to be that hard anymore. Not when you employ this stand assist device to help you lift yourself up. Retain your dignity and independence by using this top device to help you when you need it most. Once placed around your toilet, this stand should help those people weighing 300 pounds or less to stand up easily. After you grip the non-slip handles, you should be able to move without fear. Your hands should stay in place all the time. Then its tip-proof design fits around toilets even in small bathrooms. When you want to read a little while you wait, there is a handy magazine rack to hold your favorite reading material. To keep clean, just wipe the handles with a normal cleanser. At number 1. Standard CouchCane Stand Assists. To get this device ready for action, just put one part of its base underneath the leg of your sofa or chair. Once it is in place, this adjustable cane-style stands to assist is able to help lift you up out of your seat. You can sit on either side of the sofa. This can assist has a wide enough base to be used on either side. After you have it in place, the base does not harm your floors. It comes with a protective coating to not scratch, etc. A 4-pocket organizer is included in your purchase. You can keep your cell phone, remote and other small items close at hand. No matter how you use this device, you can stay relaxed and comfortable knowing everything you need is right there beside you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.